YouTube. So, do you want free rides and free Uber coupon codes? I'm going to be showing you today how to get a Uber promo code that's going to credit you $100 to spend in the app. Alternatively, you can even get free rides. So this method takes just a few minutes using your mobile phone. I'm dressed like this because Uber are going to hate me for this, and I want to keep my channel alive. So I'm going to head over to my desk and get into the tutorial. So make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get you that free Uber promo code. Found a promo code that's going to save you or give you $100 account credit. Now I'm using the word dollars, however you can hear in my accent I'm in the UK, so this code will just transfer into your local currency. So for me this will be around 80 Great British pounds, and I can use this code and it's going to apply to my balance and I can spend it however I wish. So save your time, guys. I spent hours looking through every single available promo code, and this is by far the best one that I've found. So let me run through the steps on how you can go and get your Uber promo code. Now, you have to open up the internet on your mobile phone. I'm using Safari on iPhone, however you can use any mobile device you wish in any browser. And you need to go to this website, guys. So just pause the video here and go directly to www.giftcardhero.net. When you reach the website, we're obviously looking for the Uber page. So just go to search and type in Uber. Now the search was down here on the menu, and you can just go up there. So that's how you find search. And you can see here Uber promo codes, coupon/discount. So that's just for like SEO purposes. So let's press this page. Scroll down. A little bit about Uber. I'm sure you know what Uber is. And here is the code. There's actually two codes here. This is a new one. So there is a $100 account credit exclusive code, and this is for new and existing customers. And there is also any 5 rides for free. 5 rides for free credits, maximum ride spend $49. Okay, that's a cool one. I've not seen this one before, so they've added this recently. So this one is maximum ride spend $49, and you can get 5 rides for free. Okay, so that's pretty much like $250 of rides for free, obviously if you're using the maximum spend. Okay, so let's click on this one and let's try and get this code, guys. So we basically need to complete this verification, and this protects the codes from robots and makes sure that it goes to people who actually use them, like end users, instead of like programs and bots. So we just need to complete 2 of the offers here, and you're going to get a list of sort of apps and surveys. They're all completely free. We just need to complete 2 of them. So give me a couple of minutes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and complete a couple of these free surveys, and make sure you enter in all your correct information if you're doing a survey. There are some apps here if you wish to complete apps or just like doing the surveys, and there is also a support function. So if you get stuck, you can open that up and ask it sort of questions, and it helps you pass this verification step. So give me a couple of minutes, guys. I'm going to complete 2 of these surveys and I'll be back in a second, guys. So like I said, I just finished 2 of these. I did the 2 surveys at the top. I find the ones at the top the easiest to complete. However, you can just sort of complete the ones which you think will be easy. Now once you've done those and made sure you've fully completed both of them, when you return back to Gift Card Hero, like I just opened up, you know, the tab section and gone back to this tab. Now scroll back down. Okay, we didn't choose this one, and there we go. So that is my promo code for 5 rides for free, and this is a maximum. So I just have to make sure my rides cost under $49. So for me, around 40 Great British pounds. So I'm going to apply this code to my promo code section in the Uber app, and it's going to give me 5 credits for free rides. And that is how you do it, guys. And like I say, there is also a $100 account credit code, which you just spend as and when you wish. And there's no sort of minimum or maximum spend. It's just $100. But yeah, that is how you do it, guys. So you got to go to giftcardhero.net. And there are, like I say, there's 2 codes to choose from. I didn't realise this one was here, so that's a nice one. I'm going to go ahead and use that, and that's going to give me my next 5 rides for free. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, press the like button. Please leave a comment below, let me know if you need any help. I'm always willing to help people out get their codes and save money. So yeah, thanks for watching.